Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals. I am working with leather and fabric today, and I have this die that is a 4-inch feather and a 3-inch feather, and I'm adding a third piece that is about 1.5 inches. I'm using my Sizzix Big Kick. Amazon has something similar. They don't sell this one anymore, but I'll leave a link to the one that they do sell. Also, I have some dies in my Amazon store. It's really easy. You just lay your leather on the die and put it between the two acrylic plates and roll it through the machine. And voila, you have beautifully cut out pieces. I have purchased some beautiful leather pieces, and I also have some leather packets in my Shopify store if you're interested in getting some of the colors of the leather that I'm using. Now this is some hand-painted leather that I painted just to use. Once I have all my pieces cut out, all I need to do is decide what colors I'm going to put together, and then put 3 of my pieces together and make some earrings. So I'm just going to have big fun putting all of these together. Because when I put the 3 pieces of leather together, it's kind of thick. So I use my leather hole punch to put my earring hole in, and that works pretty well. Also, I needed some jump rings that were bigger than what I had. So I made some jump rings, and I have that shown in another video. For findings, I'm using stud back earrings. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Also, check out my Amazon store and my Shopify store. This is how they turned out. These earrings are going to also be in my Shopify store. They will be available if you'd like to purchase them, or if you'd like to get a leather pack and do it yourself, that's available as well. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.